pleasant morning to all. For today's session, I'm going to tackle multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Okay, in multiplying and dividing rational expressions, the same rules apply as with the basic fractions that we have come to understand. Okay? Okay, so the product of rational expressions, let's for example, a over b and c over d, where a, b, and c are polynomials, is given by AC all over BD. As you can see here, in multiplying rational expressions, just simply multiply numerators to numerators and then denominators to denominators and express the product in lowest term. Make sure nakasimplify yung final answer. Okay, again, in multiplying, just simply multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. Okay, ganun lang simple. While in division or for division, we take the reciprocal of the divisor. For example, a over b and c over d. That is equal to a over b times, get the reciprocal of divisor. As you can see here, ito po yung divisor natin. Okay, so reciprocal of c over d, that is equal to d over c. And then proceed to multiplication. Okay, again, in multiplying rational expression, just simply multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. So this time, AD all over BC. Again, this one, multiplying. Okay? And then this one, dividing. Okay? Dividing. Ito po yung rules. Again, divide. Ito, multiply. Okay, so let us study the examples below for multiplication. Okay, for example number 1, 4a squared b all over c cubed times 3c raised to 5 all over 8a cubed b. Okay, so multiplying numerators and denominators. Okay, again, numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So this time, just simply multiply 4 and 3. The result is positive 12, right? 4 times 3, that is positive 12. Next, multiply a, or just simply copy a squared. Okay, so a squared, same as with a b. And then, just simply copy c raised to 5. Sir, bakit po kinopya natin? As you can see here, wala namang same variable dyan. So, a, b, c walang same, right? So, just simply copy those variable together with its exponent. Okay, kopyahin lang. Next one, same procedure. Dito sa denominator, c cubed times 8a cubed b. So as you can see here, 8 yung coefficient dito, and this one, 1 yung coefficient. So just simply multiply. 8 times 1 is equal to 8. And then just simply copy a cubed, b, and then c cubed. Okay? This time, always take note that we do not get the product of the numerical coefficients immediately, right? So by doing so, we might see factors in the numerator and then the denominator that can be simplified. Okay, so in this example, we have 4 in the numerator and 8 in the denominator. As you can see here, dito sa first, hindi pa natin multiply. So you can see here, we have 4 and then we have 8 here. Okay, but this time, as you can see here, minultiply na natin. So, meron tayong 12 and then 8. Okay, as numerical coefficient. Now, we need to simplify 12 over 8. Okay, just simply simplify 12 over 8. That is equal to, okay, very good. That is equal to 3 over 2. Okay, 3 over 2. Kasi 12 divided by 4, that is equal to 3. 8 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So, just simply write down 3 all over 2. Then after that, the a squared and then a cube. A squared divided by a cube, that is equal to 1 over a, right? So 1 and then a. Next one, b over b. So b over b, that is equal to 1. Okay, so sulat natin 1, then 1. Okay, then after that, c5 over c cube. Okay, so c5 over c cubed, that is equal to c squared over 1. Okay, so c squared over 1. And then multiply the numerators. 3 times 1 multiply to 1 times c squared, that is equal to 3c squared. All over 2 times a multiply to 1 times 1, that is equal to 2a. Okay? Then after that, as you can see here, we have 3c squared all over 2a. And we all know that 3c squared over 2a is in simplest form. So therefore, this is the final answer. I'm sorry, natabunan yung 2. This is the final answer. Okay? Ayan, 3c squared all over 2a. Okay, next example. The quantity of 4ax minus 2bx all over y multiplied to y squared all over 6ax minus 4bx. So this time, actually we need we need not write the first step as one fraction with the numerators and denominators combined. Okay, as you can see here, we can initiate the operation by factoring the numerators and denominator. Okay, so just simply cancel factors that are present in both numerator and denominator and apply properties of exponent. Okay, so again, as you can see here, we have y squared and then y, this one. Okay, kapag ka numerator to denominator, pwedeng mag-simplify agad. Okay, so y squared all over y, that is equal to y over 1. So just simply cancel out y squared and then y. So yung y magiging 1 and then yung y squared magiging y. Okay? Alright. Next is just simply factor out this one. Just simply factor out 4ax minus 2bx. Okay? Factor out lang yan. So the factor form of 4ax minus 2bx are 2x and 2a minus b. Again, 4ax minus 2bx. So common factor is 2x, and then 4ax divided by 2x, that is equal to 2a, and then negative 2bx divided by 2x, that is equal to negative b. Okay, so the factors of 4ax minus 2bx are 2x and 2a minus b. Okay, so sulat na lang natin dito sa panibago. So 2x times 2a minus b all over 1 times y all over, same procedure, just simply factor out a 6ax para diretso na tayo, minus 4bx. Again, the common monomial factor between 6ax and negative 4bx is 2x. Okay, so same procedure, 6ax divided by 2x, that is equal to 3a. Okay, and then negative 4bx divided by 2x, that is negative 2b. Okay, so sulat natin dito yung factor form, 2x times 3a minus 2b. Then after that, as you can see here dito sa unang ginawa natin, kinancel out natin yung numerator and then yung denominator. Same procedure here. Observe, 2x divided by 2x, that is equal to 1. Can you follow? Yan. And then for the final answer, as you can see here, 1 times 2a minus b, the result is 2a minus b. Okay, all over 1 times y all over, yung matitira na lang dito, as you can see here, 3a, sorry, that is 3a, okay, 3a minus 2b. Okay, then after that, just simply multiply numerator to numerator and then denominator to denominator. Okay, 2a minus b, 2a minus b times y all over 1 times 3a minus 2b, that is 3a minus 2b. And this will be our final answer. Okay, this one. Alright, so let us now proceed to the next example. Okay, for the next example, let us have dividing rational expression. Again, For division, we take the reciprocal of the divisor and then proceed to multiplication. Again, A over B divided by C over D. As you can see here, kung di nyo alam alin dyan yung divisor, ito pa yung divisor. Okay? And then, dito naman, tawag po dito is dividend. Again, yung kukunin lang natin, dividend. Kukunin lang natin dyan is reciprocal ni divisor. Okay? So, magiging A over B times, again, reciprocal of division, that is multiplication. And then, kindly get the reciprocal of the divisor. So, D over C. And then, proceed to multiplication. A times D, AD, B times C, BC. Okay, ito po yung pinaka-format natin. Okay? Ayan. So, let us study the example below for division. Okay? Okay. So, for example, 3x raised to 6 all over 5y raised to 5 divided by 9x squared all over 25y raised to 8. Again, dividend, divisor. Okay? Dapat alam niyo po yung alin dyan yung divisor and then dividend. Okay? Ayan. Then, again, just follow these rules in dividing rational expression. Just simply copy the dividend, okay, which is 3x raised to 6 all over 5y raised to 5. And then, proceed to multiplication, and then get the reciprocal of the divisor, 9x squared all over 25y raised to 8. So, kapag reciprocal class, pagbabalik ta rin lang natin ang pwesto yan. So, yung denominator magiging numerator, and then, yung numerator mapupunta dito sa denominator. And then, proceed to multiplication. Okay? Or, bago tayo mag-proceed sa multiplication, pwede natin gamitin yung cancellation method. As you can see here, may common dyan 5 and then 25. Same as with 3 and then 9. Okay? So, pwede natin i-simplify agad. Observe, 25y raised to 8. Simplify natin 25y raised to 8 divided by 5y raised to 5. Okay, 25 divided by 5. Okay, that is equal to 5. And y raised to 8 divided by y raised to 5. Okay, that is y raised to 3. Okay, so as you can see here, matitira dito sa numerator, 5 and then y cubed. Okay, so sulat natin dito sa numerator. This one, magiging 5 and then y cubed. And this one, sa denominator, magiging 1 na lang. Okay, 1 times 1. Okay? Same procedure dito sa 3x raised to 6 and then 9x squared. Okay, again, 3x raised to 6 rather. 3x raised to 6 all over 9x squared. Just simply divide. 3 divided by 3, that is equal to 1 over 3. Right? Okay, 1 over 3. And then, x raised to 6 divided by x raised to 2, that is x raised to 4 over 1. Again, same procedure. Magiging x raised to 4 na lang to. And then, yung 9x squared magiging 3 na lang. Okay? And then, proceed to multiplication. X raised to 4 times 5 times y cubed, that is equal to 5 x raised to 4 y cubed. All over, or kopyahin na lang natin yung naka-red dito sa numerator. Same as with the denominator. 1 times 1 times 3, that is equal to 3. Okay? And this will be the final answer. Okay. I'm sorry, medyo tabingi yung ano natin. Ayan. Again, ito po yung final answer natin. Okay? 5x raised to 4 y cubed all over 3. Okay? You can use this shortcut, no? Ayan, tawag natin dito shortcut. Pwedeng cross-multiply, cancellation method. Okay? Simplify agad kung kailangan i-simplify or pwedeng i-simplify. Okay? Ayan. So, let us now proceed to another example. Another example, 4x minus 4y all over x squared minus y squared divided by 8 all over x plus y. So, this time, take the reciprocal of the divisor. Again, just simply copy the dividend of 4x minus 4y all over x squared minus y squared. Multiply and then get the reciprocal of the divisor, which is 8 over x plus y. So, magiging x plus y all over 8. Okay? And then, perform multiplication. Ayan na yan, factor all expressions completely. As you can see here, pwedeng factorable yung 4x minus 4y, same as with x squared minus y squared. Right? So, factor out natin yung 4x minus 4y. So, common monomial factor between 4x and negative 4y, that is equal to 4. Okay? So, 4x divided by 4, that is x, and negative 4y divided by 4, negative y. So, therefore, the factor form of 4x minus 4y is 4 times the quantity of x minus y. Okay? Then, after that, same procedure, just simply factor out x squared minus y squared. Okay? X squared minus y squared. So, this time, summing difference of two binomials. Okay? So, bali magiging the quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y. Okay? So, using FOIL method, x times x, x squared, and then x times negative y, negative xy, x times positive y, that is positive xy, and then y times negative y, that is equal to negative y squared. Okay? So, again, ayun po yung factor form ni x squared minus y squared. Okay? So, write down natin dito sa denominator. The quantity of x plus y times the quantity of x minus y. Okay? Times, as you can see, just simply copy x plus y over 8. Kasi as you can see here, wala namang factor yung x plus y and 8. Okay? O sige, pwede natin factor out yung 8. Pwede maging 4 times 2. Okay? Para pwede na natin i-simplify dito mamaya sa 4. Okay? Ayan. So, this time, cancellation method na lang tayo dito, class. Kakancel natin yung magkakapareho muna. As you can see here, x minus y divided by x minus y, 1 na lang po yan. Okay? Then, x plus y divided by x plus y, 1 na rin po yung matitira dyan. Okay? Same as with 4 and 4. 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. As you can see here, observe, yung numerator natin, 1 times 1 times 1, that is equal to 1. All over, the denominator, yung nakarada, 1 times 1 times 1 times 2, that is equal to 2. Therefore, the final answer is 1/2. Okay? Ganun lang simple. Again, kung may pwedeng i-cancel out, cancel na natin. Kung pwedeng i-simplify, simplify agad. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so for your practice exercises, just perform the indicated operation. Okay, so number 1, 2x squared y all over 3x z squared multiplied to 6x squared z all over 4x y cubed. And then for number 2, 12x squared y squared over 5z squared divided by 4x squared y all over 10y raised to 6 z. Okay, so this time just write your complete solution. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.